Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're always on the go or love traveling, you're going to appreciate this 16-pack travel bottles set, your new best friend for hassle-free packing. This set is designed to simplify your travels, and today we're diving into all its features to see if it truly delivers on its promise. So let's get into it. This travel bottles set comes with an array of practical accessories that are perfect for any traveler. Inside the sleek zipper box, you'll find 4 travel bottles, 4 travel jars, a spray bottle, 2 spoons, a funnel, a cleaning brush, a label, and even a transparent makeup bag to keep everything neat and organized. Whether you're packing your shampoo, conditioner, lotion, or body wash, this set covers all the essentials with a wide variety of container types tailored to suit your needs. Now let's talk about performance. One of the standout features of these bottles is the leak-proof design. Thanks to a ball-shaped construction, every drop of liquid is squeezed out without any liquid getting stuck in corners. You can rest easy knowing that your shampoo, conditioner, or lotions won't leak or spill in your luggage. I tested these bottles on a short weekend trip, and not a single leak happened, even when packed tightly in my carry-on. The no-drip valve on the cap ensures that only the right amount of product comes out each time housed, so you're not left with unnecessary mess. Another feature I love is the wide mouth design. This makes it so much easier to fill the bottles with thicker liquids like conditioner or body wash, and it makes cleaning a breeze, thanks to the included brush. No more struggling with narrow necks or spillage while refilling. It's practical, straightforward, and designed with travel in mind. Of course, no travel product is complete without being lightweight and portable. This set fits into any small space, thanks to the compact, convenient carrying case. It's perfect for packing in your suitcase, backpack, or even a carry-on bag, ensuring you're not wasting space while still having everything you need. I love that the accessories are all in one place, ready to go at a moment's notice. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the leak-proof feature is truly a game changer for anyone who's had to deal with toiletry disasters in their luggage. The wide mouth and no-drip valve add significant convenience, making refilling and dispensing liquids smooth and mess-free. Plus, it's lightweight and compact, which makes it ideal for minimalistic packers. The only downside? Some may find the set a bit excessive if you're only looking for a few simple travel bottles. But with all the extras included, it's hard to argue with the value. Speaking of value, when considering the price, I believe this set offers a great return for your money. The sheer number of components, bottles, jars, sprays, and the handy makeup bag give you a lot for the price. It's not just practical, it's an all-in-one solution that helps streamline your packing process. Comparing this set to others on the market, it stands out for its comprehensive set of items and solid construction. Many travel bottles lack the wide mouth design or leak-proof guarantee, making this set a competitive choice. There are other options out there, but few come with the same level of versatility and attention to detail. Build quality is another area where this set excels. The silicone material is durable, flexible, and easy to squeeze, which makes dispensing a breeze. I've used it several times now, and I haven't seen any signs of wear or tear. The bottles still feel sturdy and maintain their leak-proof seal, which speaks to the long-term reliability of the set. As for customer support, I haven't had the need to contact the company, but based on customer reviews, they seem to be responsive and helpful when issues do arise. I'd say you're in good hands if you ever need assistance. So what are the alternatives? If you're on a budget, there are cheaper options available, Reusable, but they often lack the leak-proof design or the added extras like the cleaning brush and label. For a similar quality, this set offers more value for a little extra investment, especially if you're someone who travels frequently or likes to be super organized. To sum it all up, the 16-pack travel bottle set is an excellent addition to any traveler's essentials. Its leak-proof design, versatility, and ease of use make it a standout in the market. The thoughtful extras included in the set only sweeten the deal. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just need a better way to pack your toiletries, I highly recommend this set. Before I wrap things up, if you've enjoyed this review, make sure to give it a thumbs up subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss any of our awesome content here at Beautyistic. Fakeyistic? Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this set or you already own it, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful and pack smart.